Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to add GIFs in your TikTok comment. Before we proceed, make sure that you have a stable internet connection and then open your TikTok account. When you open your TikTok account, you will land on your home page. Here you can find videos. If you scroll up, you can find new videos. Find the video that you want to comment on. If you look at the right side of your screen, you can see comment box. Tap on the comment box. You can see many icons. If you tap on the smiley icon, then you can access your emojis from here. If you tap on the gift box, then you can send the gift to the creators. And if you tap on the image icon, then your gallery will open. Out of all the available options, we do not see the one from where we can send GIF. This means that TikTok does not have the feature yet. So what we can do instead is we can tap on the gallery icon and then send photos or screenshots of the GIFs that we want to send. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.